Ranbir Kapoor is a Bollywood star. He is a member of the Kapoor family that has long been established in Hindi cinema. Here are 10 things that you may or may not have known about Ranbir Kapoor. 1. Born in Mumbai. Kapoor was born in Mumbai when it was still called Bombay. Said city is the capital of the Indian state of Maharashtra, which is the most industrialized of the states that can be found in said country. As such, it should come as no surprise to learn that Mumbai has much to recommend it, with an excellent example being how it is the center of both Hindi cinema and Marathi cinema. After all, Bollywood is the portmanteau of Bombay and Hollywood. 2. Is of Punjabi Hindu origin. The Kapoor family is of Punjabi Hindu origin. For those who are curious, the term is very straightforward, seeing as how it refers to Punjabi people who believe in Hinduism rather than one of the other religions that are common in the Punjab region. In the current time, the Punjab region is divided between India and Pakistan, with Sikhs being the most common religion in the Indian part of the region and Islam being the most common religion in the Pakistani part of the region. 3. Member of the Kapoor family. Speaking of which, Kapoor is a member of the Kapoor family that has long been established in Hindi cinema. The first member of the Kapoor family to pursue a career in movies was Prithviraj Kapoor, who was born in 1906. Ranbir Kapoor would be his great-grandson through his actor-director son Raj and then his actor-grandson Rishi. A lot of the other members of the Kapoor family are also involved with Hindi cinema in one way or another. 4. Not a very good student. In school, Kapoor was not a very good student. He was not very interested in academics, which was reflected in his low rankings. On top of that, he wasn't very well behaved either, as shown by his own statement that he was punished by his teachers on a regular basis. 5. Impacted by his parents' troubled marriage. Kapoor's parents had a very troubled marriage, which unsurprisingly had an enormous effect on him. He has mentioned times when he would sit on the steps of his home with his head between his knees late into the morning while waiting for them to stop arguing with one another. In the earlier part of his childhood, Kapoor had a close relationship with his mother, while his relationship with his father was much more strained in nature. It wasn't until much later that he managed to develop closer ties with his father thanks to a project that both of them worked on. 6. Studied in New York City. In time, Kapoor went to New York City, where he studied at the Lee Strasberg Theatre and Film Institute. There are a couple of interesting points to mention from the period. 1. His parents wanted to provide him with some understanding of the value of money, which is why they sent him out with a relatively small budget rather than something much more luxurious. 2. Kapoor didn't think much of the education provided by the school, with the result that he never bothered to complete the program that he was enrolled in. 7. Preferred a more hands-on education. Instead, Kapoor preferred the more hands-on education. In more practical terms, this means that he believes that the best education for his career of choice comes from being on the set of a movie being made, which provides interested individuals with the chance to watch everyone from the director setting up the scenes to the actors performing the scenes. Due to his status, it wasn't very difficult for him to get a job on a set. 8. Felt a fair amount of pressure. It is interesting to note that Kapoor felt a fair amount of pressure when he was still starting out. This makes perfect sense because while there have been plenty of success stories in the Kapoor stories, there have also been plenty of Kapoor family members who never managed to reach the same heights as their most celebrated counterparts. As such, while Kapoor had his sights set on reaching the same heights as his grandfather Raj, there was never any guarantee that he would be able to do so. 9. Has supported various charitable causes. Over the course of his career, Kapoor has supported a wide range of charitable causes. For example, he has been known to support charities that help out underprivileged children, which is important because what happens in childhood can have lifelong consequences for good as well as for ill. Likewise, Kapoor was one of the Indian celebrities who appeared in a short film to raise awareness of breast cancer, which is one of a number of examples of him being involved with health issues. On top of this, Kapoor has been known to offer his support to environmental causes as well. 10. Set to star in a superhero movie. Currently, Kapoor is set to star in a superhero movie called Brahmastra. For those who are unfamiliar, Astras are supernatural weapons that belong to specific Hindu deities but can be handed out for use by heroes and other notable figures.